Welcome to Pixie, our AI productivity and design tool for UI UX designers. So through our platform, you're able to edit UI components very easily using Nano Banana. So as you can see here on the Apple page, we changed the Apple icon into a banana. We select the change using the aspect ratio and then describe it and click apply changes in order for it to happen. So here it's just processing and connecting with Gemini and Nano Banana API in order to change the image. And as you can see, the apple transformed into a banana. Here we also wanted to be able to view the prompt, so you're able to not only have the change but also have the prompt that you can put into your own code editor or cursor, including the instructions and the assets, so you can change it how you want. You can also go back and forth between your original image and the changes that you made through the history. Okay, now we implemented an image as well. The previous one was from a URL. Now we have implemented an image and also used the aspect ratio to select a certain component of the app. Here it's the hope button. And here I wanted to change the background of the hope button to an image. So we use ElevenLabs speech-to-text API in order to dictate our changes instead of having to type them. So here I said, can you change the background of the button to have an image instead of a white background, and also change the hope text to be white. So now we're going to click apply changes. And again, it's calling Gemini and Nano Banana API to make this change. As you can see, it changed only that button into with the images that I wanted. Okay, here we're going to be displaying a form. And here again, we want to make the changes using 9x16. Here we want to show the UI UX benefits of this, where not only can we replace buttons with images, but we also can change the structure of the web app. So here we say, can you make the buttons side by side instead of up and down? And as it's processing, you can also go back to the history, and you can see that the buttons became side by side. And here we have a special feature called Generate Code, where you can not only change the UI UX components, but also generate a complete front end just from the image using Gemini again, and passing in the images and the changes that you made. And you can click View Generated HTML, and then you can actually go directly to the web page, and voila, you see a web app, and you can actually interact with it. The email and password fields are totally usable, and this is created totally just from your image.